And so this is the Beguir-Beu, which I just recently finished it. A kit from HG Witch from Mercury line. A quite nice looking kit for a Gunpla. Although the head seems pretty weird for me. I don't know, I can't process the shape of it. Where's the face or something like that? It's kinda ugly, I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, also the backpack is what I like the most. From the wing, from the jammer ball, it's so gorgeous from behind. And that's about it for the Beguir-Beus. And in this video, I'm gonna turn this kit into a Zeon's mobile suit, because as you can see over here, I still have some leftover decals from Origins line, which is basically it's mainly Zeon's decal. Like here, for example, it's Charles Zaku, which I want to use it to Beguir-Beu to make it more like Charles' personal use, I think. Yeah. And yeah, so my plan is I'm gonna repaint this to red like Charles use. So it's gonna revolve around dark red, light red with some yellow highlight over here and make it more like Charles unit. I don't know. Also, my other plan is over here I'm gonna add some additional panel line, which I've never done it before, but I just bought a chisel, a 0.2mm chisel, which I don't know how to use it yet, but we'll see. Another thing is, there's a seam line over here that I'm gonna remove it because it's so annoying how big the gap is, which right here, as you can see, the gap is so big that I must remove it with putty, I think. So yeah, that's about it. Let's start working on it. And so this is the Beguir-Beu after I removed the seam line over here. There's no gap anymore, and I finished added all the additional panel line. kinda hard, but I managed it somehow. So the part where I add the panel line is first over here, as you can see on the shoulder. And the next one is part on the chest. I add some line beneath it and a little scratch on the head and this part of the arm. And for the wing, I add some line over here, also here, and line over here too, which give a sense of a different part. And for the inside of the backpack, I added some section like panel line over here, which also gives a sense of a different part, because I want to paint it a darker color over here. Also over here on the tie, which I like it the most. It's so clean, although there's still some misaligned panel line, but I like it a lot over here. That's it, and now for the painting process.